Okay, so I'm about to show you the absolute quickest and easiest way to make app icons for your Expo mobile app using AI. So in your project root, just type in npx create-app-icon and it'll open up this website. As you can see here, I posted a prompt for an app that is a unit circle that I have. So it generated this beautiful unit circle app icon. I hit select background and I think I liked this background. So I'll generate the assets, and then here it will list every single asset that you need for web, for Android, for iOS, for dark, light, tinted variants. And as you can see, I wire them up into my actual project, and they're all back here locally in my terminal. It just asks for confirmation before you overwrite, but then once you do, all your files are here, and you can see that these look amazing. So in your next build, use this, and I'll show you in the demo how they look. So as you can see here, that's the dark mode, the default, the clear, and the tinted, all with different colors here on iOS. And these also work just like how they do in Android. They look fantastic.